Hi, sweet one, and welcome. This is your moment, your sanctuary, a space where the outside world fades, and you return to the only place that ever truly matters, the world within. Right now, take a deep breath in through your nose, holding at the top, and out through your mouth. Breathing deep and steady. Again, slowly, deeply, feeling the breath expand your body, softening your edges, bringing you back into yourself. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly soften. Let the tension drain from your fingers, from your toes, and let yourself melt into this moment. Because in this space, you are held. You are safe. You are exactly where you need to be. I know the world can feel heavy sometimes. The noise, the chaos, the uncertainty. The weight of it can press against your chest, sometimes tightens your solar plexus, whispers fear into your mind. But love, none of that belongs to you. None of that is yours to carry. So I want you to imagine a golden light at the center of your being, a warm, steady glow in your solar plexus, your inner sun. And with every inhale, it grows brighter. And with every exhale, you release the weight of the world. Breathe in strength. Exhale worry. Breathe in truth. Exhale fear. Breathe in trust. Exhale doubt. With every breath, you reclaim yourself. With every breath, you shed the energy that does not belong to you. Because you are not here to carry the world. You are here to anchor into your own. Now I want you to imagine yourself standing barefoot on the earth. Maybe it's a forest. Maybe it's the ocean shore. Maybe it's the sacred land of your ancestors. Wherever you feel most at home, see yourself there now. Feel the ground beneath you, solid, steady, ancient. And as you stand here, you begin to grow roots, deep, strong, unshakable. They stretch down into the earth through layers of stone and soil, through time itself. They anchor you, they hold you, nourish you. No matter what happens above ground, storms, winds, shifting landscapes, your roots remain. You are steady. You are safe. You are home within yourself. Repeat in your mind or say it softly. I am rooted. I am steady. I am home within myself. Let these words settle into your bones. Let them become your foundation. Now I want you to lift your face to the sky, to feel the warmth of the divine pouring down over you like golden sunlight. This is Source. This is pure love. This is the universe reminding you that you are not alone. You have never been alone. Feel this light touch your crown, flowing down over your body, into your heart, into your hands, into your feet, filling you with warmth, guidance, and knowing. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to force or fix or fight. You are supported. You are loved. You are provided for. Let yourself receive this now. Let it be easy. Let it be enough. And as this golden light fills you, feel it sealing in your truth, your wisdom, your divine knowing. You were born for this time. You are here for a reason. You are not lost. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. Say it with me. I am supported. I am guided. I am exactly where I need to be. Now slowly, gently, begin to return. Feel your breath. Feel your body. Feel the weight of yourself resting on the ground beneath you. Know that even when this meditation ends, your truth does not waver. You are still rooted. You are still held. You are still the creator of your reality. When you open your eyes, the world may look the same, but you will be different, more steady, more present, more sure of who you are and what you're here to do. And love, that is everything. When you're ready, bring gentle movement to your fingers and your toes. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. Open your eyes. Welcome back. You are ready for whatever comes next. Namaste.